in terms of UX, the process implementing a good UX flow is for a UX designer to design something and for the developers to implement it. And once it's launched, you have to get data back. So depending on the size of your user base, this is very much a numbers game in terms of how many users use your platform. And depending on, let's just say you would need to test this for a month, like a specific feature, how this is performing, the onboarding flow, for example. To get enough users through this funnel or this onboarding flow, you'd need quite a lot in order for you to get some sort of valuable data. And once you have that valuable data, you can dig into the data, you can make assumptions, you can go out and speak to people, or maybe even speak to the people who didn't come through the funnel. That is usually the best recommendation. See if you can, if your privacy policy allows it, follow up on the people who sign up to your service in this onboarding example, skipped after 3 steps and never came back or used your product. See if you can talk to those people. And once you've done all of that, the UX designer needs to get back into Figma and design a new version of the existing product or feature. And once that's done, it needs to be re-implemented and it needs to be launched. And again, you need to collect data. So that process, just speaking about it, that was very a long-winded process of communicating it. But that process alone is very complicated and much more time-consuming compared to, let's say, just putting more money into paid socials, for example.